In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI for your social media strategy. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe down below and like the video. So the only thing you need to do really is to open up ChatGPT, and you can use this prompt if you want to. You want to tell ChatGPT to create a content calendar for your Instagram account. Of course, mention what your Instagram account is about. So I just said, help me create a content calendar for my Instagram account that focuses on healthy recipes. Make sure to also tell ChatGPT how many times a week you want to post. Remember that being consistent in social media is the best thing that you can do. So I simply said I want to post 3 to 5 times a week. And then don't forget to mention what your goal is. Your goal can be to increase your engagement, to gain more followers. So just make sure that at the end you're telling ChatGPT what your main goal is. So I'm going to simply hit enter, and you're going to watch how in literally seconds ChatGPT is going to create a 4-week Instagram content calendar for my account. And that's it. As you can see, ChatGPT broke it down by week. So during week 1, it proposed that I create a reel, a carousel, a static post, and a story. And it also gave me really quick and easy ideas that I can film for my healthy recipe account. Now you simply have to go ahead and film the videos. Of course, try not to only rely on artificial intelligence, try to give it your own personal touch. But this is a really great thing that you can do whenever you are running out of ideas and you simply want to be a little bit more creative with your content. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.